So Trenbolone from India, are they real or they are fake? As you have seen in some of my video, I discuss about some Trenbolone from China that they were all fake. They were all nandrolone, and because it's cheaper and it's easy for production and they just bottle it up and they just said use it, it's Trenbolone, but it was not. And beside, the formulation was disaster. There was lots of solvent inside. So recently, in the place I live in, there were so many Trenbolone from India, and specifically from one lab it called Evolve Lab. So luckily I got a little bit of it and I check it inside the laboratory, and I want to discuss about that. Before we get into that, I want to explain that I'm not advocating of using any type of steroid like Trenbolone, Dianabol, which has a strong effect on your body, especially on your kidney and your liver, which I will discuss about it in the future video. So if you are crazy enough to use it, if you already make up your mind to use it, the purpose of this video is at least you using a brand that there is a real compound inside. So if they say this is Trenbolone and you inject it to your body, you know that it is Trenbolone. For example, those people who are really sensitive to nandrolone, they take Trenbolone, they inject Trenbolone 1 time, 2 times. After 2 days, they have a erectile dysfunction for maybe 12 days, 13 days, and they are wondering how does that happen? Because Trenbolone has a half-life of 12 hours to 24 hours. So it shouldn't be that long inside their system. So they basically injecting nandrolone and they get the effect from the nandrolone. They get the decadic. So that is the reason for all of these videos. So let's go back to our topic. Yes, this Evolve Lab, the Trenbolone they produce, it is real, but there is one problem with that. The dosage is right, the dosage is correct. It's between 180, basically 85 to 120 milligram per every amp. It's up and down, but there is one problem, and the problem with this underground production laboratory is the oil they use and the way they formulate this Trenbolone. So again, as I saw it, it was too watery. The liquid wasn't dense enough. And when I tested inside the lab, the oil that they have used, I don't know what type of oil it is, but there was lots of solvent inside. So although you're gonna get Trenbolone, it is possible that this oil that they use as a carrier and the solvent can cause allergic reaction or lots of pain in the injection site. So you may face a kind of skin reaction. At the same time, you can have more pain rather than normal injection in the area because there was lots of solvent inside. So these two are the factor that if you're taking Evolve Lab, you should consider: skin reaction, kind of allergy, and the extra pain in the injection site. These are the 3 downsides to this Evolve Lab Trenbolone. If they use the better oil and better formulation, the Trenbolone they use is pure and it is correct. So that's for this video. So if you want to know about the Trenbolone side effects and is there any real Trenbolone from China, please follow me for the next video. Till next time.